So you're streaming on YouTube and your viewers keep asking, what was that timestamp every 5 seconds? Well, congratulations. You've discovered the most annoying problem in live streaming history. But today I'll show you how to solve this with Tsnip, an open source bot that'll make your viewers actually useful for once. Tsnip is basically a free timestamp bot that lets viewers save epic moments using the !TS command. And the best part? No YouTube login required, so you don't have to worry about random crypto streams hijacking your channel at 3 AM. Because let's be honest, we've all seen what happens when bots get too much access. First things first, you'll need Nightbot. If you don't have it, well, you're about 5 years behind, but okay. There's a setup link in the description because apparently reading documentation is harder than rocket science. Once Nightbot is ready, adding Tsnip is stupidly simple. You've got two options. Option 1, just paste the command in your live chat like a normal human being. Option 2, use the Nightbot dashboard if you're one of those people who needs a GUI for everything. Now here's the pro tip. Set user permissions to moderator level unless you enjoy getting spammed by 12-year-olds going, !TS your mom. You can also adjust the delay parameter. It's set to 22 seconds by default, but feel free to customize it based on your stream's lag. Because nothing says professional streamer like timestamps that are off by 30 seconds. Using the bot is brain-dead simple. Type !TS for a basic timestamp, or add a title like Nice Flick Shot. Though let's be real, most of your viewers will probably title everything Poggers, or something equally creative. When someone creates a timestamp, Nightbot confirms it because apparently we need validation for everything these days. Here's where it gets actually useful. When your stream ends, Tsnip automatically drops a comment with all the timestamps within 2 minutes. It's like having a personal assistant, except it actually works and doesn't ask for a raise. The bot is already trusted by creators like Kiwi FPS, a professional player who apparently has better things to do than manually track timestamps. So if you're tired of scrubbing through 6-hour VODs looking for that one sick play, give Tsnip a try. It's free, it's open source, and it might actually make your viewers feel productive. All the links are in the description. You know, that place nobody ever reads. Thanks for watching and remember, automate everything, trust no one.